Hi everyone, my name is Gogi, and today I want to show you how you can build your own custom CRM and ERP using the power of AI. And I think this is really fascinating. So, both of us know, whether you're starting a business, currently running one, or know that somebody that is starting one of the most crucial aspects behind that business is properly managing your customers, your inventory, your suppliers, your stock numbers, your images for the products, everything. And usually, if you're trying to manage that, doing it on paper is very inefficient, and we can just throw that out the window. But there are softwares out there that are called CRMs and ERPs, but they usually have three biggest issues. All of them have at least one of those. One is either they're A, too expensive, B, is they're too hard to set up, or C, is they take a very, very long time to set up because you need teams, you need people, you need to communicate, you need to customize it, and it's just really expensive and really time consuming. However, here at Ozma, they found a solution of getting rid of all three of those issues and even surpassing those CRM and ERP softwares just right here on the website. Now, if you go to ozma-io, on the bottom right, you will see this little icon, Build Your Business App. Here, we don't want to do specifically an event planner, but let's say I want a software for selling pillows, for example. Please make it interesting. Let's see what Ozma replies us to with. As you can see over here, quite the leap, but let's get cozy with the idea. We can definitely create a business app for selling pillows, but since you mentioned an event planner CRM earlier, should I continue designing that, or would you like to refer on the pillow selling? Pillow selling, please. You don't have to be super polite with Ozma, but in my case, I gotta treat it well. Great, I'll focus on crafting a business app for selling pillows to make truly. Should I go ahead and design the entire structure myself, or would you like to guide me through the specific requirements that you have in mind by answering a few questions? So, in your scenario, you might have already some ideas or some categories that you might want in your software built in, and this is where you would describe it for Ozma. In my scenario, I'll just tell it to design on its own. Design on your own. And now, what Ozma is going to do, it's going to look at the latest market trends. It's going to look at what other companies that sell pillows, what they look for, what are the most important aspects within their business, what suppliers they usually use, like how they sort the suppliers. All those details, Ozma is going to do that research for you and design the software for you. Now, you're not limited to the customization at this step. After it gives you the result, you can look over the software, and then you can decide whether you should keep it, you should adjust it, you should add some things, remove some things. As you can see, I've put together the blueprint for your new business app. It's being tailored to fit your needs. Usually creating a business app takes up to 5 minutes. And I think this is one of the most fascinating parts. It doesn't take hours, it doesn't take days, it doesn't take weeks, it doesn't take months, like most teams do when it comes to building these sort of softwares. It just takes 5 minutes. And it's really hands-free. You don't have to sit down or program anything. Whenever you're going to be customizing, you don't have to program, use any specific language. Just talk to it like you would talk to a normal person. And it's going to do it not only going to understand what you want, but it's going to do it very, very fast, which I think is fascinating. In the meantime, I do want to show you an example software that I built a little earlier through Ozma, just using the same chatbot. It was for monitor sales management. Why monitors, you might ask? Well, I was just looking at one as I'm speaking right now, and I was like, I wonder what it's like selling monitors. So let's just keep it simple. As you can see, Ozma created all the categories, all 5 categories: customers, products, suppliers, sales, and employees. And I actually haven't opened the employees yet, so this will be cool to look at. But let's look at customers. Ozma automatically pre-fills all the information for you, so you know exactly what goes where and how it's going to look. So you're not there just sitting with the bone structure of the software, but you actually see the example data. Let's see what Ozma told us. Brilliant, your business app is kind of being crafted. Just a couple minutes more, I'll let you know when it's ready. And it's ready. We now generate example data for your business app, but don't mind us and start exploring. Pillow Sales Manager business app. Here it is. Let's see what it built here. Might keep it very simple this time, or more complex. Okay. As you can see here, we have totally new categories. Products. I wonder if it filled in the example data yet, or it needs a little bit of time. It needs a little bit of time, so I'll give it like 30 more seconds. In the meantime, I do want to see that employees category. What did Ozma put in there? Oh, okay. So Ozma decided that the most important columns to have for your employees is their name, their role, email, phone number, and hire date. And you could actually just tell it like, Ozma, please add another column where it specifically tells me the number of days an employee has been working with us. And it's going to automatically add that column, and it's going to calculate the number of days that the employee has been hired for with your company automatically based on the hire date. So it's all done on the back end. You don't have to do anything, don't have to like customize anything manually. It's all done by Ozma. However, I do want to see, because I'm sure the example data should be in there now. Ta-da! Very quick, told you, 30 seconds, we already got it. So Ozma has decided that we need the name, description. Okay, description is really important because you see ultra soft pillow. If I saw that, I will buy the pillow. Firm pillow, pillow with cooling gel technology. So whenever people are searching for your pillow, they are already searching based off the description. And this is cool. Stock, the amount of stock, the image URL. So whenever you're looking at a pillow, you know what the box looks like. So if you're like trying to give it to a customer, you already know which pillow to look for. Let's see. We're now generating the keyboard couples are hammering away in the code mines. Hang tight, they're about to strike gold. And a little bit of sense of humor is always good when you're working with this sort of stuff. Let's see the other categories. I'm actually curious. And you see, you can hear the clicks in the back. That's the cool part about Ozma. You can literally just talk to it a little bit and just let it do its thing. Whenever you hear a click, Ozma has done something for you. I finished generating example data. Have fun. Oh, by the way, if you'd like me to change anything in your business app, just let me know. Now, like I said, you can customize it, you can remove, you can add things. In this specific video, we won't do that, but in the next ones, I'll show you exactly how to do it and make sure that it fits you to your fullest needs. Or you can do it yourself when you're trying the software out. But let's see what the other things it's done. Customers should be pretty simple. Full name, email, phone number, address. So whenever you're putting a customer information, it's going to ask for all these categories, and you're going to be able to keep track of all that information. Okay, very cool. Orders. So each order is specifically tied to customer name, order date, total amount, and status. I haven't seen status before. This is the first time I've seen Ozma do status, and I think it is really cool. Really important too, because you want to know whether the order has been fulfilled, whether maybe you have like a very old order that is currently pending, and you might want to address it sooner than later because the total amount is high. So it's all built into here. It's all built by Ozma without me doing any of my work. Beautiful. Order items. Okay. Order. So here it decided what products are ordered, how many of them are ordered. Oh, so it's like each order. Oh, I see now. It makes sense. So the first order that came in, the product that was purchased was this one, Soft Cloud Pillow, and 2 of them were purchased for the price of $19.99. And it automatically autofilled everything here. Like I said, you can customize this to specifically fit for your needs, or if it's perfect for you, grab it and have fun with it. And inventory logs. This is a new one. So product, log entry date, previous stock, adjusted stock, operation type. Isn't this fascinating? It's all done by Ozma, and you don't have to do anything manually whatsoever. And sold to. Okay, this is really cool. Now, I can do more of talking, but I personally think that you should go out there, go on this website, ozma.io, and give this software a try. Just build anything you want. Your current business, your future business. Just look around your room, build a business based off that. And it doesn't have to be a business even. It could be an event planner. So whether you could be running a baseball team and you might want to plan out events. It could be a nonprofit. It could be anything. There are no limits to this. So I really appreciate you listening to me and watching this video. Go ahead, go on this website, give this a shot. And yeah, keep an eye out for future videos. I'll be showing you more examples, more cool things about the software. And yeah, have fun. Thank you.